Welcome back. So today we're gonna go deeper look at access modifier, the key tool for implementing encapsulation. Let's get started by defining what are access modifier. It basically defines the scope of accessibility for class, method, and field in your code. They allow you to control who can access or who can modify a specific member of your code. So access modifier have some keyword which are gonna determine the visibility and accessibility of a class or a field, method, or property. By using this access modifier effectively, you can ensure that your code is modular, secure, and easier to maintain. Here we can start by private, protected, public, internal, and protected internal. So let's explore the different type of access modifier in C# together right now. I would like to start with private. Private, it's basically restrict access to the declaring class only, the most restrictive modifier. And that one, think of private as the class personal, very sensitive data. Only the class itself can access this member. Then we have protected, which is gonna allow access within the declaring class and the derived class, offer more flexibility while keep data relatively secure. So you're gonna use protected when you want to enable control the access for a child class while keep it hidden from everything else. Then public, it's like no restrictions at all. It's accessible from anywhere. That one, think like you should be used public, like exposing too much of data can lead to tight coupling and maintenance headache. So maybe you have some cases like for members that form the external API or interface for your class, or when you want maximum accessibility, that's why you can go for public. Then we have internal, which are gonna be accessible within the same assembly. It is not exposed to other assembly. Internal can be perfect for library development when you want to keep certain part of your code available only to your library. Maybe you're gonna have one user case for members that are shared across a project but shouldn't be part of the public API. And let's move to the last one, protected internal. That one, you're gonna combine between protected and internal. So assembly within the same assembly or by derived class. Think of it like a hybrid modifier, great for framework and library. Maybe you're gonna have a use case like a member need to be accessed by a child class even if they are in a different assembly. Our balances accessibility and control. So we can say access modifier, it's a powerful, but with a great power come great responsibility. So one of the best practice to follow, use public if you want to expose as much as you want of data. You're gonna prefer protected over public for inheritance. Please document your access modifier, so you're gonna communicate why a member is public or why it's protected. Avoid overusing protected internal, because use only when absolutely necessary for special cases. So to wrap up here, choosing the right access modifier depends on your specific use case. So if we're gonna summarize here, private gonna be declaring class only, protected declaring and derived classes, internal same assembly, protected internal derived class or same assembly, public gonna be anywhere and everywhere.